Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use GameChanger FC26. So if you want to manage soccer teams, track games and follow your players, just follow along. First, open the GameChanger app and select the FC26 soccer features. Next, create a team or join an existing team. And after that, add your players, schedule games and organize your team information. You can use GameChanger to manage rosters, track game details, and follow team performances. And during games, you can update scores and record important match information. The app also helps keep parents and players updated with the schedules and game updates. And you need to make sure your team settings and player information are updated for the best experience. So that was how to use GameChanger FC26. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.